Austin here, and we're going to be doing a little moto vlog on my new crf100 dirt bike. And we're going to be riding around the fields and dirt roads around here, so let's get started. This is my new dirt bike. It's actually my first dirt bike. All I've had before is four-wheelers, so yeah. This is at my friend's Garrett's house, which I was talking about this in the other videos, and his mini bike, we got the same mini bike, and his mini bike actually broke down at his house, so I'm just going to do a little moto vlog here by myself before it gets too dark to do it, so yeah. I found this little jump over here. I'm going to do a little jump. That's pretty much my first jump I've ever done. I'm going to do a burnout. There's plenty of place to ride over here. Like, you can go way down over there, like at that tree line way back there, and ride. So I'll be doing a lot of videos here, and I'll probably bring my Honda Rancher up here, but I actually am keeping this at his house so I can get to ride it more, because there's not a good place at my house to ride it. So I'm just going to keep it here, and I can go up about every other weekend to ride it, and yeah. I'll probably get a new bike later. It's not this one. It'll probably be like a two-stroke 85, like a YC85 or a KX85 or something like that, which is a race bike if you don't know. And I may start racing later, but yeah. There's a cool little mud hole right up here by the highway. I'm gonna go through it real quick for you. Real deep, but it's pretty deep for a dirt bike. I mean, I'll put it in first. But I may be doing some stuff wrong, because this is my first dirt bike, so I've only had it for about a week or two. So I'm not really good at it yet, but yeah, because it's actually got a clutch. And if you follow me on Instagram, you saw it, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, go check out my Instagram, which is Moto Austin, and yeah, so Moto Austin YouTube, sorry, but I'll go through another little mud hole that's right up here. I hope you guys liked my video that was from last week. Sorry, it was the Honda Rancher and the whatever hill climb kind of video, and yeah, it was pretty cool. There was a lot of hill climbs in it. So. My cousin, Moto Mason, but he's gonna do a YouTube channel. He's already got a YouTube channel up, he just hasn't posted anything really on it. Water. Whoa! That's pretty deep. I did not expect that. Okay. There's a pretty cool little hill right here. I'll do a top speed on it right down here real quick, or I'll do a top speed on it Whoa. Well, I'm down. Well, okay, that was pretty crazy. That's my first time actually falling on this dirt bike. It's kind of stuck on my leg. Hold on. The only time I ever fell on it other than this is in a ditch. I fell into a shed, but, well, I wasn't paying attention. Well, that's pretty cool. Oh, crap. Whew. My fender okay? Oh, it's good. Well, caught that on video. I've been riding like all day, and that's the only time I fell. I'm glad I caught that on video. Well, sorry guys. Can't get it to start. Let me get it. Make sure it's in first. Sorry, can't get it. What the crap? It's in neutral. Well, I just end the video here, guys. I'm sorry I didn't do the top speed test, but thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.